Every 11 seconds, a laptop is stolen somewhere in the world. Right now, as you watch this, another device containing sensitive corporate data has just disappeared. Scary, right? These thefts are unexpected, inevitable, and devastating. They spare no organization. Would your business survive something like this? Don't become the next statistic. Like a digital wildfire, stolen devices expose everything in their path. Customer records, financial data, trade secrets, all sitting naked on hard drives waiting to be exploited. Endpoint encryption alone is not enough to protect against determined attackers. And when your critical business data lives on hundreds of vulnerable devices, compromise is inevitable, making catastrophic data loss unstoppable. The moment that device walks out your door, you've lost control, your data, your reputation, your sleep. But what if stolen devices contain nothing? V2 Cloud DaaS doesn't wait for devices to be secured. With complete data centralization and enterprise-grade infrastructure, DaaS can eliminate endpoint risk entirely. Like keeping your valuables in a bank vault while only carrying empty wallets. All the access, none of the risk. Stolen laptop? No problem. Terminated session. New device, same desktop, same files, same productivity, all in just minutes. Save sensitive data from being compromised and restore access with a single click. Device theft can strike at any time, but with V2 Cloud DaaS, threats don't stand a chance. Centralize, secure, and control. Eliminate endpoint risk entirely. V2 Cloud DaaS, allowing IT managers to rest easy.